Hello everybody, once again it's time for Walkthrough Wednesday. My name is Cody Swallow here at Primo RV in Carencro, Louisiana. Today we're going to show you this brand new 2021 Cougar 29 MBS, which is a mid-bunk room. First thing you're going to have, of course, you got the nice fiberglass front cap up here, LED lights. And then on the side here, you've got a couple of different awnings. You got one awning here, and because you have a slide that comes out on the front side of the camper or your campsite, they didn't want you to lose that awning space, so they put a secondary awning here. So you've got lots of shaded coverage area. Both of those are going to have the LED light strips that run all the way across there. You do have the outdoor speakers here that'll play off of your indoor radio, AM/FM radio. So you can play the indoor speakers or out, or you can play both at the same time. Down here, you got a nice big pass-through storage. Lots of room for gear and things there. This does have the auto leveling system on it. You just push a button and it'll level itself off, set everything up for you. And you've got the nice solid steps that fold into your doorway when you get to your camp, or when you're leaving, or when you get to your campsite, they fold out. And the nice thing about this, they come all the way to the ground, so you don't get that spongy or loose feeling as you're coming off of that last step. Gives you a much more secure. This is going to be very similar to a rear kitchen setup. You'll see in a lot of them, but what it does is it gives you the mid-bunk room, which I'll show you here in just a minute. But the nice thing about this is all of this counter space back here, lots of cabinet and storage space underneath here, place to put a trash can and things like that. This is the brand new decor from Keystone and the Cougars, the antique white or antique farmhouse look. Of course, you got your oven here, glass top, gives you more counter space, microwave, all the necessary appliances. But what this is a larger 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator in here. So it gives you a lot more storage space inside of your refrigerator than you've seen before on a lot of campers. You've also got nice pantry storage here and down here as well. In the slide here, you got your booth dinette. This will drop down and give you another sleeping area if you need to sleep a couple of people there. You got your theater reclining seats here. So both of these are going to lay out almost horizontally. Gives you a nice little place for your remote controls and things like that. And you also have the massage and the heat in those chairs. Directly across from your theater seats, you got your big screen TV, your fireplace, AM/FM radio, CD and DVD player. This also has Bluetooth connectivity, so if you're outside you can connect your phone or your tablet and adjust audio and change sources from there. The electric fireplace is also a 5,000 BTU heater. Kind of getting into those cold months now. Don't know how long it really lasts in Louisiana, but we'll get a couple days that it gets pretty cool. So this is also a 5,000 BTU electric heater, so you're not always using the furnace and your propane. Right off of the main living area, you got a slide out in this room here. You got a trifold sofa down at the bottom that'll make a bed for a couple to sleep. And you got the bunk at the top, and you've got all this storage on the side here. Hanging storage. And of course you got to have drawers for your drawers. And then if you wanted somebody like kids just wanted to sit in here and watch television, this will move up and fold out the way. Got a nice little seat here in the hallway, coat rack. So you can sit here, take your shoes off or on. You got more electrical outlets as well as USB ports for charging. You've got the glass door enclosures on here. You also have a ceramic commode. You've got space for towels and things there. Already has your towel rack. And then a nice sized vanity with space around the countertop for you. And then your medicine cabinet up above. And there's a pocket door that slides to close this off. Up front here, you've got another slide. So you've got 3 slides in total. The bunk room, the main living area, and then this wardrobe slide. And what this wardrobe slide does is it gives you hanging space here. A couple of drawers down at the bottom for extra storage there. And then you've got your queen size bed with additional storage underneath here. And next to the bed, you'll notice you have end tables on either side. A lot of people nowadays have CPAPs and of course your phones or tablets. And you've got USB ports up here to plug in, and then electrical outlets as well. Thank you again for joining us today. My name is Cody Swallow at Primo RV in Carencro. This has been our Walkthrough Wednesday and the 2021 Cougar 29 MBS fifth wheel. Have a blessed day.